y'all. So we was tinting the headlight and tail light. This is how the before looks, just like this. I did put in custom headlights on here, and we got one side done. It's been taking them a minute. Using a heat gun and just the pre-cut ones. That wasn't too bad though. They look pretty damn good. But yeah, so y'all can see a side-by-side comparison. Regular, smoked out. And we're gonna be putting the wheels on there too soon, so yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Yeah, they look pretty good though. Pretty damn good. Other side. This side, working on the tint. It's coming along. And then I got my two front ones. They're already done now. Smoked on out. I think I might black out the grill too. Going for like a stealth kind of look, you know what I'm saying? Dirty, cold stealth look. So blacked out, now I'm about to black out the windows and all that type stuff. But yeah, it ain't too hard. Especially when you got somebody doing it for you, but you gotta pay to play. Pretty cool though. All right, y'all, this side looking like, boom. Smoked out, headlights, and all that. Smoked out, baby, smoked out. I'm gonna show y'all how I look at nighttime though, but let me go around back. Smoked out the back. Ooh, monster. Ass player, baby. Let me see how I look when I do that. Hold on, let me put the next one. Ooh, that's player, baby. That's hard right there. They gonna know G coming through traffic. Sheesh. Let me go up around front. Go up around front. I'm stunning on real quick. Yeah. Let me turn on the little light on the inside. Hold up. Oh, yo, this is with the lights. Full light on. That's gonna be the roar. Let me turn on the light. It's light. And look, it's hard on there. Yeah. The smoked out tail light. Boom. So it's still, you can still, see pretty well through there. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, this how I look at nighttime. It's still, it's still smoked out. But you can still see through there pretty well. I'm gonna take y'all on around back. See how I look on the back end. Yeah, so on the back it's still cool too. So yes, it's smoked out. I like the smoked out look, but at the same time, it's still cool. Cooler than a fan, boy. I love this little tint though, baby. I love that little tint. I can't wait. I'm about to get the windows done too, y'all. So y'all gonna see everything. Hey, piece by piece, y'all, this car coming together now. Yeah. So it's smooth, cool at nighttime. Honestly, I thought it was gonna block my headlights from shining, but that's straight through there, boy. Yep. So yeah, y'all, I got these on eBay. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get them too. I think I paid like $30 and they was already pre-cut from eBay. All you needed was a soap, water, X-Acto knife, a squeegee, a heat gun, you could say. I had my dude do it because I just didn't have time. I mean, I could have really installed it, but I didn't have time because I worked so much. But I just paid him to do it. Yup. Don't look too bad, y'all. I'm gonna go around back one more time for y'all. Yeah, I'm about to have the coldest 345 2012 out here, bro. For real, for real. No cap. But all right, y'all. Till the next video, I'm out.